your bike. The engine is the core of your motorcycle, the powerhouse that drives you forward. Without a healthy engine, your bike is just a shell, unable to perform at its best. Your bike's engine is like its heart. It pumps life into your ride, ensuring every journey is smooth and exhilarating. Just as the heart needs to be in good condition to keep you healthy, your bike's engine needs to be well maintained to keep it running efficiently. It needs regular care to keep running smoothly. Routine maintenance is essential to prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. Regular oil changes, checking the spark plugs, and ensuring the air filter is clean are just a few of the tasks that can keep your engine in top shape. Just like you, your bike feels better with a bit of TLC. Tender, loving care can make a world of difference. A well-maintained engine not only performs better but also lasts longer, giving you more miles of enjoyable riding. Over time, engine parts wear down. This is a natural part of the engine's life cycle. Components like the pistons, valves, and bearings can degrade due to friction and heat. Regular inspections can help identify worn parts before they cause significant damage. This can lead to poor performance and even breakdowns. An engine that isn't running at its best can affect your bike's overall performance, making it less responsive and more prone to stalling. In the worst cases, neglected engine issues can lead to complete breakdowns, leaving you stranded. A full engine overhaul can bring back the power and reliability you love. When an engine is thoroughly rebuilt, it can feel like a brand new machine. Replacing worn parts, cleaning components, and ensuring everything is in perfect working order can restore your bike's performance and reliability, giving you the confidence to tackle any road. By understanding the importance of engine health and committing to regular maintenance, you can ensure that your bike remains a reliable and powerful companion on all your adventures. Whether you're a weekend rider or a daily commuter, taking care of your engine will pay off in the long run, providing you with a smoother, more enjoyable ride every time you hit the road. Gearing up. Tools for the job. Before you begin, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a socket set, wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers. A torque wrench is essential for tightening bolts to the correct specifications. Invest in a good quality workshop manual for your bike model. This will be your Bible throughout the process. Opening up. Getting to the engine. Start by disconnecting the battery. This is crucial for safety. Drain the engine oil and coolant carefully. Remove any parts obstructing access to the engine. This might include the fuel tank, seat, and side panels. Refer to your workshop manual for specific instructions for your bike model. Section 4. Deep Dive. Inspecting and replacing parts. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps of inspecting and replacing critical components of your bike engine. This process is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your bike. With the engine exposed, it's time for a thorough inspection. Begin by carefully examining each component for signs of wear, damage, or any irregularities that could affect the engine's performance. This step is vital to identify parts that need replacement. Check the condition of the pistons. Pistons are the workhorses of your engine, converting fuel into motion. Look for any signs of scoring, cracks, or excessive wear. Compare the old pistons with new ones to understand the extent of wear and decide if replacement is necessary. Examine the piston rings and cylinder walls. The rings should fit snugly without gaps, and the cylinder walls should be smooth and free of deep scratches. Any irregularities here can lead to loss of compression and reduced engine efficiency. Inspect the valves for wear and tear. Valves control the flow of fuel and exhaust gases in and out of the engine. Check for pitting, burning, or warping. Worn valves can lead to poor engine performance and should be replaced if necessary. Replace any worn-out parts with new ones. This includes pistons, rings, valves, and any other components that show signs of significant wear. Using high-quality replacement parts will ensure the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. This is the heart of the overhaul, so take your time and be meticulous. Precision is key in this process. Use the right tools to measure and fit each part correctly. Double-check your work to avoid any mistakes that could lead to engine failure. Remember, a well-maintained engine is the key to a reliable and powerful bike. Section 5. Buttoning up. Putting it all back together. Once you're satisfied with the engine's condition, it's time to reassemble everything carefully. Follow the reverse order of disassembly, referring to your workshop manual for guidance. Use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the correct specifications, ensuring accuracy. This ensures ensures everything is secure and prevents leaks, giving you peace of mind. Section 6. Running smooth. First, start and checks. This is a crucial step in ensuring your motorcycle is ready for the road. With the engine back together, it's time for the moment of truth. This is where all your hard work and meticulous attention to detail will pay off. Reconnect the battery and add fresh oil and coolant. These fluids are essential for the engine's performance and longevity. Make sure to use the recommended types and quantities. Start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises. A smooth start indicates that everything is in place, but any odd sounds could signal a problem that needs immediate attention. Check for leaks around gaskets and seals. Leaks can lead to significant issues down the line, so it's important to address them right away. Look for any signs of oil, coolant, or fuel escaping. Let the engine run for a while to warm up. This allows the oil to circulate and lubricate all the moving parts, ensuring everything is functioning smoothly. Keep an eye on the temperature gauge to make sure the engine doesn't overheat. While the engine is warming up, check the exhaust for any unusual smoke or smells. This can be an indicator of underlying issues that need to be addressed. Also, take this time to adjust the carburetor if necessary to ensure optimal performance. Don't forget to test the brakes and lights. These are critical for your safety on the road. Make sure the brake lever feels firm and the lights are bright and responsive. Finally, take the motorcycle for a short test ride. This will give you a feel for how the bike handles and if there are any issues that need further attention. Pay close attention to the engine's performance, the handling, and the braking. If everything checks out, congratulations! Your motorcycle is ready to hit the road. Enjoy the ride, and always remember to perform regular maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Section 7. Ride on. The rewards of a healthy engine. Congratulations! You've successfully overhauled your bike's engine. You'll immediately notice the difference. Your bike will have more power, run smoother, and be more reliable. Regular maintenance like this will extend the life of your engine and keep you riding for years to come.